What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I'm going to show you this app, Fetch Rewards, how you can make money with it, how you basically get points for your receipts. You see here at the top right corner, I have 13,701 points. I'm going to cash that out, but I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I'm making money with this app. So the thing is, if you look here on this homepage, there's different things that you can buy, and you can basically get points for it. Sometimes just going in the store and making any kind of purchase, you can get an amount of points. It shows you there, you see here some up for 1,500, 2,000 points, 800, 3,000. So it's a really good amount of points on there. But also if you buy certain brands, you can kind of categorize it, and they're affiliated with so many different brands, like all the major brands you can think of that are in grocery stores. You can get points for them. It'll show you how many points you can get per dollar spent. At the end of the day, you can always get paid for your receipts. It doesn't matter how many or what brand you bought. You can take a picture of your receipt like this. Just click on the camera icon, take a full picture of the receipt, and you'll get a minimum of 25 points for every receipt that you get. So I'm going to take this picture, I'm going to upload it, and see how many points I get for it. I got 25 points just like that. And like I said, that's with any receipt that you get, and that's the minimum you'll get with it. So now you see here my balance has changed. And so when it comes to cashing out, lots of different ways you can cash out. They have limited deals here. Kind of discounts on points, which I like to take a look at. You'll see here the minimum to cash out is $3 with a Kroger card, but a lot of them are like $5. That's the limited deals. You can go here to retail stores. Like I said, a lot of them are a minimum of $5 in order to cash out, and they show you the amount of points you need in order to do that. Lots of different ways to cash out on here. They got restaurants as well. So, lots of different restaurants you can take a look at, and they'll send you the gift card either physically in the mail or by your email, whichever one you prefer. They also have travel, like different airplanes, Airbnb, things you can do with that. And, it's like I said, so many different ways to cash out, so you can find something on here that you like. I'm going to go back to the limited deals, and I'm going to get this Visa gift card. It only takes 11,700 points for $10. So I'm going to click on Get My $10 Reward. And you see there, reward takes about 3 days to process. So I'll get them 3 days. It usually does take about 2-3 days for them to send it to me. So, not that long, but, hey, it's a good way to make money just off receipts that I'm going to throw away anyway. So before you throw away any receipt, use this app, take a picture of it, get a minimum of 25 points. And the thing is, like, a lot of times you're buying different brands anyway, so you'll get even more points when you buy those certain brands or, certain things that you can buy in whole and see them on the homepage. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this in the description. It's completely free. You can use it on your iPhone, your Android, whatever the case may be. Make money with it. Don't throw those receipts away before you use this app. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.